One George Washington was the first President of the United States. 2. He played a crucial role in the American Revolutionary War, leading the Continental Army to victory against the British. 3. Washington's leadership and strategic skills were instrumental in securing American independence, for he voluntarily stepped down from the presidency after 2 terms, setting a precedent for future presidents. 5. Washington's farewell address emphasized the importance of unity, avoiding excessive political party influence, and maintaining. 6. He was a strong advocate in foreign affairs and helped shape the early foundations of the United States government. 7. Washington's leadership during the Constitutional Convention was vital in the formation of the U.S. Constitution. 8. He prioritized national unity and worked towards establishing a strong central government. 9. Washington's presidency set many important precedents, including the creation of a cabinet system. He played a key role in establishing the federal judiciary system. 11. Washington's commitment to civic virtue and the importance of public service influenced future generations of 12. Leaders. He was known for his strong moral character and integrity. 13. Washington demonstrated grace and humility by refusing to be crowned king or seek personal power beyond the presidency. 14. He supported religious freedom and tolerance, believing in the separation of church and state. 15. Washington promoted economic development and advocated for the expansion of infrastructure projects like roads and canals. 16. He established the first national bank and helped stabilize the country's finances. 17. Washington successfully negotiated treaties with Native American tribes promoting peaceful relations and territorial. 18. He established the principle of civilian control over the military, setting the foundation for a democratic 18. Society. He established the principle of civilian encouraged control over the military, setting the foundation for a democratic society. Universities. 20. He championed the development of a strong navy to protect American interests. 1. Washington's leadership and restraint prevented the United States from being dragged into foreign conflicts during his presidency. 22. He set a precedent for a peaceful transition of power from one president to the next, which has become a hallmark of American democracy. Washington's efforts to establish a national capital led to the creation of Washington, D.C. 24. He promoted a policy of neutrality, allowing the United States to avoid being drawn into the European 24. He promoted a policy of neutrality, allowing the United States to avoid being drawn into the European conflicts of the time. 5. Washington's military background and experience as a commander-in-chief were invaluable in the early years of the United States. 26. He was an avid proponent of agriculture and implemented farming practices at his Mount Vernon. Washington believed in the importance of a well-regulated militia and its role in the nation's defense. 8. He demonstrated compassion by granting pardons and clemency to those convicted of crimes during his presidency. 9. Washington valued the input of his advisors and surrounded himself with capable individuals 30. He respected and valued the principles of democracy and worked towards the ideals of a representative government. 3. On Washington's leadership during the Whiskey Rebellion demonstrated his commitment to upholding the rule of law. 30. He played a significant role in shaping the Bill of Rights, ensuring fundamental freedoms and protections for citizens. 3. Washington's support for the arts and sciences helped foster a cultural renaissance in the young nation. 30. For he was a skilled diplomat and successfully navigated complex international relations. 5. Washington's commitment to civic duty and public service inspired a sense of duty among future generations of Americans. He fostered a sense of national identity and patriotism, promoting unity among diverse groups of people. 7. Washington's military expertise and strategic thinking enabled him to make critical decisions during times of crisis. He believed in the importance of a well-rounded education and encouraged lifelong learning. 9. Washington's commitment to honor and duty earned him